When you see the title of this course, Modeling a Bicycle, you might initially think that this will be quite a simple process. But actually, when we start to dig into it, we find there's quite a lot of hidden complexity and details at each level. So this video will define a little bit of the scope of the course before we start, what it will and won't cover. For a start, there's many different types of bicycle, such as road bikes, mountain bikes, gravel bikes, BMXs, and loads of others. Within each of these categories, you're also going to have more options. So for example, mountain bikes could be full suspension, hardtail, or other options. And then even within those subcategories, there'll be further options, like the material type. Will it be carbon, aluminium, steel, or something else? What kind of components will it use? Will these be basic off-the-shelf parts, or will they be custom made? And even exactly how the frame is going to be made. So you can probably see that this subject potentially has a pretty huge scope. For that reason, this course will mainly focus on creating the frame of a rigid bicycle, something similar to what you might see on a touring bike. During the course, we'll discuss how you can modify this base model to suit your own exact needs more closely. We'll also briefly cover adding some off-the-shelf components to get your model up to a more realistic looking bike. But please do bear in mind that modeling the frame is the main thing that will be covered in this course. We won't cover the smaller components in great detail. With that in mind, let's get started with creating our bicycle.